buy it. I bought it. I work hard for it. So,
Welcome back to the channel, Zumba K. Today we have some news about Uber driver. Maybe two news today with Uber. The driver gets attacked by rowdy passengers after asking one of them to put a mask on. What she thinks?
you don't touch my property. You don't buy it. You don't buy it. I bought it. I work hard for it. So, station, you didn't.
I don't know why she refused to wear a mask. And this looks something you take other people's property.
Boyfriend taught me. He taught me, don't let nobody play with you. Smack the fuck out them. That's what I was taught. So if y'all boyfriends told y'all to let this Uber let y'all get out the car and get robbed or whatever the fuck would have happened, and that's on y'all. Hell no. And he lucky as hell I ain't have nothing on me on mamas, because if he would have played with me, bruh, it would have been a whole different story. For real, you not about to kick me out on the freeway. Everybody I know, 75% of people I know would have smacked the shit out of him or done some crazy ass off the wall shit. All I did was take his mask off and cough a little bit, but I ain't even have corona, so at the end of the day, okay, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that was disrespectful as fuck. I'm dead ass wrong for that, but it could have been avoided, period, point blank. It could have been avoided. You could have just waited and made sure we was safe. If you would have made sure, yo, pass this fucking stupid ass Uber, bruh, on mamas. That's why I take Lyft. That's why I take Lyft. That's why I take Lyft. I'm finna sue Uber for, they seen the whole video, so they know they dead ass wrong. So where my check at? Where's my check?
But is able to sue about driver. What kind of sue? Sue about check or something? And how about you bring other people property? I don't know what kind of thing. And you cap a little bit on the Uber driver, but I feel like it kind of law should be working right now. I have some comment about it. This chick is stupid. Shit. Oh, going back to Rinse My Eye with Lee. I looked her up on Instagram and she's so trash. Just as much as the girl in Toronto that threw a chair from the 20th floor just to get attention. Where are her parents? Rowdy passenger who attacked Uber driver in San Francisco this week seen harassing another Asian driver in Hawaii in the past. Maybe this time she cannot escape with that. That's not the first time.
Oh, it's cold in here. You won't even cut the heater on. A little more. Cold in here. Dang.
No AC, nigga. No.
Cut it
We're
off.
paying. You're not. No. No.
We're paying
No.
you.
Go.
The police here.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't need to put both the windows down. Now you got me hella fucking mad. What the fuck is you doing?
Lee, I don't want to argue with you. Lee,
Don't touch me.
why you mad?
When you touch someone that they didn't feel good, that's kind of harassment. I don't know this will happen or not in the law or something, but these two footage that was enough, right? We come together to make sure that this world full of good people. Yes, that's why our action is to bring justice. I believe that America will be make this happen. See you for the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for spending time on watching my video.